Children, welcome you in the bio class. Today I am going to explain you body fluids. In the body of living organisms, fluid is found. So what fluid is found in the body of living organisms? That is body fluids. These body fluids are two types. One is circulating fluid. Circulating. And other is non-circulating. Fluids. So these two types of fluids are present, circulating and non-circulating. Circulating fluids circulate throughout the body, and circulation of fluid is very important in the body. So why the circulation of fluid is important? Its reason is digested and absorbed nutrients transported to the every cell of the body by this circulating fluid. Respiratory gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, these gases are also transported to the different cells of the body by circulating fluid. There are nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste that is removed from the body. So it is carried from the cells of the body to the excretory organs by the circulating fluid. Other is hormones, which are secreted by endocrine gland. Hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. So these are transported throughout the body by circulating fluid. So therefore I told circulation of body fluid is very important. If there is no circulation, then that living being cannot survive. These circulating fluids are three types. So now you see circulating fluid. Circulating fluid. In that, first one is blood, second is tissue fluid, and third is lymph. These are the three circulating fluid: blood, tissue fluid, and lymph. And what is the non-circulating fluid? Now see, non-circulating fluid. Non-circulating fluids, the fluids which are located in a particular organ. Non-circulating fluid is synovial fluid. Synovial fluid. This fluid is located in the cavity of skeletal joint. Next is vitreous humor. It is located in the eye between lens and retina. Next is aqueous humor. It is also located in the eye between cornea and lens. Pericardial fluid. It is located in between the pericardial membrane around the heart. Like this pleural fluid, it is located between the pleura, which is the protective covering of lungs. So these fluids are not circulated. They are located in a particular organ. So there is no circulation of this fluid. But blood, tissue fluid and lymph, they are circulated. So children, you have to see what is blood. Blood is bright red color, thick fluid. Bright red color, thick fluid. It is circulated throughout the body by blood vessels. Blood vessel. There are three types of blood vessels: artery, veins and capillaries. So through these bloods are circulated. There is a pumping machine which pump the blood through these blood vessels. That pumping machine is heart. Pumping machine is the heart.